Okay, everybody, give me one second here. Okay, welcome back to the returners. Let's see who we have coming in now. Okay, so Emmett, welcome back, my friend. Welcome back to the AI note takers as well. If you are new, please put a one in the chat. If you are new to Dub, that would be really helpful. If you are new, a one would be great in your industry. That's always great to know. Gio, welcome back. That's fantastic. Cool. Thanks for the Emmett. Thanks for the note. Dan, welcome back as well. Bob Donovan. Bob, are you new to the training? Your name looks new to me, but maybe you've been in here before. Bob, if you can hear me okay, you can feel free to unmute yourself if you want to say hi. If not, you can put in the chat just a one if you're new to Dub, two if you're returning. Hey, Bob.
Yep. Hi, I'm new and did a little onboarding. I'm overwhelmed, but I just feel as though what you guys have got is the way to fly. I really do. You've got so much. It's very robust, and today in 2025 and going forward, this is the way to go.
No, we appreciate that. Thanks for the kind words. Well, let's unwhelm everything. So, Bob, what's your industry? What do you do?
I'm retired,
Yep.
but I don't play golf.
Yep.
I don't play any of those games.
Hmm.
And always been into sales and marketing. In fact, one time I had 3,000 life insurance agents that I
Nice.
was in charge of.
Okay.
So always in this new way of doing things and always liked the video.
Hmm.
And the other thing is AI. And what I'm trying to do is use HeyGen with your system.
Sure. Yeah.
So I can send out because most of us don't like to be on video.
Right.
We should for the wave and that sort of thing, so they know there's a real person behind
Sure.
what you're sending.
Yeah.
And I've created Bob 2.0 to do my talking.
It's awesome. It's great. I love that. All right. So let's think. So, Bob 2.0, what are you reaching out for, though? Still within life insurance or what? What do
No,
you?
no. What I'm doing is for local businesses,
Uh-huh.
uh, without going to the corporate type thing and everything else, helping them with getting into this day and age in their marketing. For example, used car lots.
Uh-huh.
That's what I've been playing around with.
Yeah.
A before and after picture.
Mhm.
A lot of the pictures that are up there on independent lots are taken with all kinds of crap in the back and all that sort of thing.
Mhm.
So I put that into a little piece of software,
Mhm.
enhance it, put it up there, and then I have a HeyGen spokesperson
Mhm.
uh, that shows a picture of the car that they were interested in
Mhm.
with a little message. And what I want to use your service for is to send that out. So they've got me doing the wave.
Yeah.
Then they go in and they see their own cars that were on their lot, the
Yeah.
before and after shot,
Uh-huh.
and then the little Hey Jin type thing speaking.
Right.
Um, and that's the market I'm looking at this particular time.
Like the HeyGen characters in a little bubble and kind of pointing to it or whatever, or talking.
No, what happens is it'll be they'll go down and they'll if you want to hear what some of the comments might sound like from a testimony, click here.
Here, let me, Bob, if you don't mind, like I'm always curious to see this stuff because I want to check it out. Feedback at Dub, I just popped it into the chat. If you want to fire that over there, I'll
Okay.
check it out just to see it because when you say the car before and after, are you talking about the sign on the lot or what are you talking about with the car before and after?
Uh, I go up on their website
Uh-huh. Yeah.
and I see what they're offering.
Uh-huh.
And like there's one that's uh, showing up in front of their used car lot with all the other used cars around it. And it's a Mustang convertible with the top up.
Mhm.
And you've got trucks, you've got all kinds of crap all around the
So
darn
it's
thing.
cluttered. The photo is cluttered. And it doesn't really.
That's right.
Okay.
So
Okay.
we're here in Sarasota, Florida,
Yep.
and I say, take that to the software. I say, take that stang and
Mhm.
put it on a white beach at sunset.
Right. Got it. Okay. I see what you're saying. Yep. Yep. Okay.
Boom.
Yep. Yep. Okay.
So now, which one would you go for? And the example that I haven't used yet, but it's like DoorDash or somebody like that.
Yep.
The plates of food
Uh-huh.
statistics are showing that the if it's a good image, people are going to order it. If not, they're going to click off it because they
Makes sense. Yeah.
have the attention span of a gnat.
Well, you know why? Because everyone on Instagram takes photos of their food, and if it doesn't look good, forget it. That's what they're used to
Yeah,
seeing, like a really nice aesthetic setup. So,
right.
yeah. Um, so how do you so you're targeting the owners of the company, right? Or the
That's
manager.
correct.
Okay. And then how are you delivering it? Is it email? Or are you like how are you
Yeah,
doing?
that's what I'd like to do is to do it
Okay.
in an email
Yeah.
and put those images in there.
Mhm.
But prior to that, given the time constraints, I would go ahead and make a phone call
Yeah, I get
beforehand
it. Yeah, I get it. Yeah. Yeah.
and say, okay, sending you something. It's not spam, yada, yada. Click on it if you want, you know.
I
So they,
would, Bob, maybe just real quick on that.
yeah.
Maybe as in general, if you send it first and then that gives you a reason to call, like I've sent you something.
Ah, okay.
I would reverse it because that way it could show up right then. They can open it right there. Or, a heads up, listen, I just want the reason for my call, because everyone's like, why are you calling? The reason for my call is I just sent you something related to the
Gotcha.
marketing on your site. And they're like,
Gotcha.
oh, cool. Is there a mistake? What is it?
Yeah,
And so I would go with that. Yeah.
I like that approach better.
But send me if you don't mind, Bob, just send it a feedback at Dub. Just would love to take a look at it as,
Okay.
we talk a lot about the animated GIF and the power of the GIF. So, and I'm curious what the HeyGen character kind of looks like in terms of the movement within the 3 second start of the video. Is it
Okay.
just want to check it out if that's cool with
Uh,
you?
all right. Be cool with me.
Yeah.
Let me see how I can do. I'm on the iPad today,
Okay.
and what I'll do is I'll get back on my laptop, and it'll be easier for me to send it to you from there.
Yeah, just send it out today so I can take a look at it in between the other meetings we've got. But
Okay.
just because when you said overwhelmed, that was one of the things you mentioned.
Yeah.
The fact that like if you have a handle on HeyGen, that's a check mark. If you have the people's companies, you know what you're reaching out to, that's a check mark. You already know your strategy. You're doing a comparative how these things look. That's a check mark. So you got three of those things you already have nailed down. The last part of it is just adding into the email and sending, and that's something we cover here with the training. So I think from that end, it's like you have that creation part kind of handled as far as that. Is that pretty accurate?
Yeah. Quick thumbnail. I'm 84. I still been using AOL,
Mhm.
and I had been a VP in the corporate world, and I had people. I had people. So they did the task.
That's
Now with this, I'm having to
yeah.
learn,
Yeah.
and I was the last guy to know how to use my email in my company.
Yeah. Yeah. Well, hey,
Uh,
listen, better last than not at all.
yeah,
There you
exactly.
go. Yeah.
But this is a blast what you guys are doing, and the your sales approach is terrific.
Oh, thanks. We
Just
appreciate that.
terrific.
Yeah.
I mean, I just now if I can get it down so that I can do the drag and drop, we're going to be off to the races because
In the car, in the used car, off to the races. There you go. That's
there
great.
you go. Thanks.
Yeah. Well, send it over to me, Bob. I'll check it out. I'll know more once I see it.
Okay. All
Yeah.
right. Sounds good.
Cool. Good to meet you, Bob.
Hey, good to meet you.
And let's see, Jason. I saw you had your hand up. Hey, Jason, if you can hear me, okay?
Can you hear me now?
Yeah. What's going on, Jason? How you doing?
Is it possible? This is probably not the right place to ask this, but
You
I
got
have, when I'm looking at the desktop version of one of my videos, like if I send a link to somebody, I can see the chat with the AI assistant on the right-hand side of the landing page next to my video.
Yep.
Can I turn that off?
Yeah, you can uncheck it inside of your preset. So what you can do is here. Let me show you this right here. How's the video recording going, Jason?
Uh, Fine.
Yeah, good, nice.
Yeah.
Any styles that you like doing so far, like webcams or screen videos or anything?
Sorry, my phone was ringing in my ear. What
No, I
was
was
the
saying like,
question?
what do you like recording? Like webcam stuff, screen stuff? What have you enjoyed so far?
Oh, I just use it for invitations to classes.
Like webcam, like direct to webcam kind of stuff.
Well, no, I'll record just about anywhere.
Oh, okay, nice. So mobile, so you can be mobile app kind of recordings, quick videos like that.
Mobile app in my office, yeah.
Okay.
Pre-recorded, yeah, yeah.
Well, if you ever want feedback,
Okay,
like I
so
said,
you're
drop
showing.
it in. Yeah. Okay. So presets. Here you go. So you're in the dashboard, right? So you start it up here.
I'm in my dashboard. Okay,
Go to
all right.
presets right here. See that presets?
Going to assets,
Yep.
going to
Yep.
presets,
And then in
clicking.
here, and then this is always to create a new one, but let's just say you wanted to get the AI assistant off this one, right? Click edit,
Yep, edit. Yep.
scroll down, and see where it says AI assistant. Just come in here and just click. I think you have to just click in here so there's nothing in there. I think you have to delete, I think is what you have to do. Select or, yeah. I'm gonna have to ask the team. There's a way to do it. I think you said no. Where is it? There's some click you put in here where it gets rid of it.
You're looking at sales assistant. Oh, okay.
Yeah, that's the AI. Let's see. Yeah, I might have.
Mine it just says press
Try
enter to
to,
remove.
let's see, enter.
Yeah, I did that. Let me hit refresh now on this side and see if it's gone.
Let me do
No,
say.
it's still there. Darn it.
Yeah, I'll send a quick Slack message over to Darius, and then when I get it here, if you're still hanging in here, I'll chat you. But let me just message him really quick because I know it's
The
a
other
click in, but let me find out.
the other question I have is where is did I feel like I entered information
Yeah,
that the AI is referencing because I ask it a question like this particular video that I've uploaded that I'm about to send out to my realtors
yeah,
for this CE class.
yeah,
It's about short sales. Well, over on just for fun,
yeah.
I was like, oh, I'm going to type in a question to the AI assistant and see what it says.
Got it.
I said, what is this class about?
Uh-huh.
It referenced an old class that I did last year. And I was like, oh, I wonder where I entered that information because it's talking about
Um,
something. So
maybe.
then I was like, you know what? I just want the AI assistant gone altogether.
Oh man, yeah. I mean, you have to. You can just delete it and redo it or whatever. But this is typically what it would look like. So for the AI assistants, come in here. I'll click edit. The information is typically taught to the AI with website links. So individual web pages, see how we have like the regular Dubb support, that kind of stuff, these links.
Yeah.
So it'll learn physically what's in text on these pages. And if you hover over the tooltip, it'll kind of tell you, what it does and what it's learning right there. The other way it learns is down here where you can upload a PDF. So whatever information was in that file, if you uploaded a file, it would be referencing the information in here and then the website text information on those individual
Oh,
pages.
you know what it did? I see the resource link is my actual website.
Yeah, yeah. So
Okay.
I'm pulling it from there. Yeah, you could
So
just
if I delete that
and you
and
keep
then hit
the PDF or whatever else, then you should be good.
save, now let me go back to this preview of mine.
And I would test it. Just ask that same question. And
Refresh because I would just, well, darn it. So it's still showing up.
let me ask,
Um,
while we're doing this, Ina, hi Ina. Ina's from our team, and she pretty much knows the answers to everything. Ina, can you hear me okay? Hi, Ina. So I want to know, we were in here in presets, right? And we wanted to get rid of the sales assistant, just in general, how to do it. So I clicked in here. I'm just forgetting what the click is. Like, see for sales assistant, do you just click in here and hit delete, or how do you get rid of the AI assistant on the
Yeah,
page?
select the yeah, click that and then select the SIA for audience one to
Okay.
remove it. Yeah, then save.
Oh, okay, got it. So, so you just have to select, and then it's remove. It's
Yeah,
select.
it will be removed. Yeah.
Okay, so it's always this one right here.
Yeah. So if you want to add one, then yeah, select.
All right, let me
But if you
select it.
want to remove it,
Yep.
then yeah, just select the same one again.
Perfect. See, that's awesome. It's right in front of our face. Jason, can you see that okay? Did
Press
you?
enter.
so you're in assets. So let me go back to assets.
Yep.
And then
Presets.
you're where?
Presets.
Presets?
Yep.
Presets.
All right. So I'm going to presets, clicking
Select the
this,
one, click edit, open it up,
and then scroll
scroll down. Now watch
down.
what I'm doing here. Like, so I'm going to click here, right? And see where it says in bold the name of your, see how it says press enter to remove? Just hover
Yeah.
over it, enter, And then all you have to do is save this at the bottom. Make sure you click save and close, and that will get rid of it.
All right, let's see. So now if I go back to my,
Just refresh the page or whatever.
okay, it's gone now.
Yeah, and if you want to bring it back, if you want to bring it back, just go back in here, click into the area, and just choose the.
Crap. You know what it did is it, so now
Mhm.
it added back in these buttons that I don't want. Shoot.
Which buttons? CTAs, the ones below the video?
Yeah, the call to action. I only wanted, can't I create different landing pages with different CTAs? I don't have to just use one standard
Yeah,
one, do
yeah.
I?
Yeah, you can do that if you want to. Yeah. Yeah, all you have to do is just go to if you go here, just make sure all your buttons are created first. So call to action and then just click your your blue plus button when you want to create new ones. So you have all your basically buttons in here. Give it a
All
little
right.
internal name, the type. You
Okay, so where am I finding? Because I swear I have just my call to action right there.
yeah, those are
Okay,
your
so I
buttons.
can see all of them. Okay, so this is the one I want.
So you as long as you have your buttons created, then all you have to do is go to presets over here to the left, right? And then once you go back to presets, because you know you have your buttons, so you're good on that. So go back to presets, and then all you have to do is click the blue plus button to create a new preset, new
Well,
landing.
I don't want. I have everything created,
Uh-huh. You just want the right
and then
buttons.
when I removed the AI, then it defaulted back to the original call to action buttons, which I don't want. I want the one I just created early this morning.
Were the call the action buttons related to the AI? Like, did it depend on the AI or no? Did it say like, because it's
No.
going to remove the CTAs. So if you go back to your preset, let's just say it's this one right here that removed it took the buttons away, right? So come back into here and click edit and just scroll down because now your AI is gone. We know that's gone. I'll get rid of this just for the sake of argument. It's gone, but your buttons are gone. So what you want to do or get the ones you want, press this blue plus button right here. That's going to open up a new field and then just click in here to find the right button that you want that you've
Yeah,
created,
I understand all that. I've already done all of that, and I created the call to action landing page that I want.
right?
But now
But you said it's gone
it's
though. You said the button's
defaulted.
gone. You said the button's gone, right?
Yeah, so now do I have to do it all over again? Do I have to do it every single time?
No, they shouldn't. Maybe it was a bug or something. Just go back and add the button and refresh, and you should be good.
Uh,
But if you're missing a button, are you missing all the buttons or just one that you wanted?
I don't want all the buttons. I want just the one landing page with the one button that I
Yeah, go
created
back
this
in, go
morning.
back in, delete, hit the trash can and all the ones you don't want, and then click the blue plus button, find the one you want, save it at the bottom, and that should be good. If there's an issue beyond that, then there might be a little bit of a bug, but that should work. So I go back into that page that you want, delete the buttons, and then just click the little blue plus button, find the one you need, and then scroll down the bottom and hit save and close. And that should work.
I'm not making myself clear. Let me see here. It doesn't matter. I'll um all right, well let me I don't want to sit on the
No, no, but let's
this
hold on. We're almost there though. You're saying on the landing page here, right? Just check out my
so
screen. You're saying these buttons down here are gone. Just tell me what you're saying right here.
no, they're back. The standard ones are back. The email me, call me, book a thing. I don't want those on there. On
Okay.
my call to action, if I hit preview, the landing page I just created, now it's just going straight to my calendar. What the heck?
What's the buttons under the video? If you
There's no video. Just when I clicked on preview, it went straight to the my
just,
Calendly.
just scroll up, like if it bounced you down here, just scroll up like that and see if there's
Yeah, there is no video at all. It's just when I click on preview in my call to actions
any.
in under my assets,
Yeah.
it's just going straight to my Calendly.
Yeah, that's just because it's showing you the button. You're not doing the preset. So what you want to do is under here, when you're back over here in the dashboard, you make sure you're under assets and then go to your preset, that landing page. And then all you do is just click the edit like we did before. You'll be able to prove this after. Click edit, scroll down on that page, and then just get rid of or add the buttons that you need, and then save this down at the bottom. And then we'll see that in the preview window. Does that make sense? Coming in here and just getting rid of the buttons, like this is your landing page, and then just scroll down here. and delete the ones that you want that are not right and just click the blue plus button, add the one that is.
So now all I see is Alan main presets. I don't want
Yeah, just pick the one you
that.
want. So if you're in your presets, this is what
Yeah,
it should look like.
it's not showing me the one that I just created. See, if I could, I
You have
mean,
a couple pages?
I appreciate you being really patient, you're being really kind and all of that,
No,
but
it's
it's really,
totally fine. Do this. Look,
can I
Bob, do
is it
this.
possible for me to be the host and show you what I'm looking
Yeah, yeah,
at?
I'm doing it to you right now. So you
Okay,
can here we go.
go to my, let me go to Dub first.
But then you have to do the rest of the training, Jason. So that's the caveat. There you go. That's the
All
caveat.
right,
If
so
you're in,
if
you're in.
so I don't see the share
You should see it now. So it should say
doing
promote
this.
the panelist. There you go.
Okay, so now I can do share.
Yes,
And let
go
me
for
find
it.
this. And
Yeah.
so here I am.
I'm going to circle you in on this, if you don't mind, just to make
Yeah,
sure we're,
yeah.
we're on the same
Mm.
page here.
You're
Hey,
not,
go ahead, Jason. What do you got?
can you just see, you can just see my browser, right? Not
Yeah,
my
yeah,
Yeah.
we got
screen.
it.
'Cause it's way out of um ratio. Okay, so I'm clicking on dashboard, assets,
Assets,
presets,
presets.
Yep.
and now it's Allen Main, which I don't, that should be, so you see how it's calling that this should be, I named this something else.
Yeah, it looks like maybe you didn't save the preset or something because it's only showing one
Oh.
preset in there. So you just have to do it
I'm
right
going to
now.
call this
And make sure you have the buttons. You have the right buttons that you want up
yeah,
there, Jason? Okay.
yeah.
Okay.
So
So
now go to call to action.
see, when you hit preview, that's just previewing the button. That's not going to preview the page. The page is going to be from the presets that you're going to preview.
Or what I usually do with when I do optimization is I advise the user to have one tab open with a video that
Yeah.
has that preset.
Yeah.
So yeah, right mouse click in the in videos and then choose one of the videos that you have.
Just so you can see it, like go to your video library, Jason, just grab a video and
Right
then we'll
mouse
tell you
click.
what button to click on. So just grab anyone in there and
That's
then,
the one I want.
all right, see the
Yeah.
drop down? Wait, hold on. See the drop down next to the video? It says Jason Allen. See that little drop down right there? Click that. That's because you only have one preset. So now go over to the right and
This
select
one
that
is the
square button.
presets actually.
Yeah, sorry, that one. Yeah. And
Yeah.
then go to the right and then it opens up there and then scroll down.
Okay, it's right. So if I want to create just a regular main one that I would use to, I can, where I did have all those email me, call me, schedule a meeting, I would have those
In the presets.
Yeah,
here.
presets. So you'd already have the buttons created. Now just click the blue plus button, top right. And then you just give it an internal name. You're just creating another preset. And then you can add whatever buttons you want and save that thing. Like maybe alternate version or something. And then just go click into the CTAs. Like you can click in that area there,
If
the
you want
FCTA. Yeah.
any calls to actions, yeah.
Yeah. And then just click the blue plus button if you want to add more.
Yeah.
And if you did want the sales assistant, when you get it fixed and stuff, you can add that too if you want.
Where is the book a time? Okay, that should be my standard.
And you can change the order too, Jason. You can move you can grab the little hamburger menu, the little three line, and you can make
Yeah.
a certain button first or last if you want to.
Okay.
Right now, Jason, the your default preset is the short sale CE, but if you want to make the other one as your main preset, yeah, make it that default. So
Cool.
every time you
Got it.
create a video, that main standard one will be the preset.
Yeah.
Got it. I appreciate it.
Yeah, of course. Glad we got it
Awesome.
figured out. That was good. That was good.
Okay. Sorry for that.
Hey, I like your
Appreciate all
setup. I
your
like
work.
the glasses, the mic, the shirt. It's all black, kind of like it's kind of cool, kind of all matches.
Yeah.
Black.
Yeah.
Thanks. I
You're all
appreciate
black.
that.
We just need you to get one of these. Hey, Jason, right in the middle. Just get a D symbol.
Got it. Okay, guys. Thank you so much. I'm gonna get back to work. You guys enjoy the rest of your morning.
Thanks, Jason. Appreciate it.
Awesome.
Yeah. Okay, so everybody else, let's check out the Q&A real quick in here. Austin, hey, so everybody, Austin and I were just chatting this morning, and Austin, hey, can you hear me okay, bud?
Yeah,
Uh,
hey, Rob. Yeah,
yeah,
thanks for the advice this morning. Real quick, Ina, like I guess it's nice having you on this as well. Look, if I did just the general video that we talked about for an industry, plumbers, blah blah blah.
yep.
If I wanted to blast off, if I wanted to do a full blast to multiple people, is if I go to the video and I do share and send. Do you do copy for email and then you like BCC everyone in an email box, or like what's the look when I do share and send? Do you normally prefer the clipboard like copy for email part, or do you like do the email or the social like obviously I get what the difference between email and social would be and an embed QR code. Well, I don't really get those ones, but I think Ina showed me that like the copy for email is very personalized. Like I could do that, but
Mm-mm.
like if I do a general video and I'm blasting it off to multiple emails, and obviously I got to make sure I like BCC everyone. Is that the easiest way to do it, or what do you recommend?
Yeah, for me, the easiest is just going to the share and send button, then email if you're going to do like an email blast, like a bulk email, and make sure, let me just share my screen here. So this is what I'm referring to, guys. So from the video, go to share and send. Then this is the default, the clipboard one where you can copy for email, then paste it to your to Gmail or whichever CRM you have. But if you're going to do like an email, bulk email sending through Dubb or an email campaign, you can do it directly from here too. Go to email. Then we have a tutorial videos just in case you need some guidance there. So from here, you can select your sender. If you don't have a sender yet, I think you have, we did we did connect your email sender already, Austin. So just select the sender. Then two, if you have the contacts already, and I mean you have the if you need like individual emails, yeah, you can do that too. So let's say Rena for this example. So you can do this if they're already in your contacts. But the main goal of doing bulk send is to send something in bulk. So get the go to the inclusion list instead, then use all the tags. So let's say for example, we have subscriber tag selected in here. So there will be 4,640 contacts who will get this email. Have the subject line, make sure that it is interesting. Yeah, you can use the Dubb AI writing assistant or Ira for this one, same as in the personalization text. For the body of the email, we recommend just having yeah, something personalized in here, like hi first name. So this will get that the first name from the Dubb CRM, having 2 to 3 sentences in the before the GIF. So this is the two one one sentence, but you can add more, of course. Then this will be the token for the video or the GIF, then some, yeah, some salutation there. If you want an email signature of you or your teammates, yeah, you can select it from here. Insert it there. So it's gonna look like this. And this is the preview. So hi Ina, watch this video. So this is the personalization text. Then this is the, yeah, that's the buttons. Now if you want to, I think this is new. If you want to add attachments like PDF file or something like that, you can do that too. And from here, yeah, you can send right away. Unlike the if this is the way that you'll send the video right away, but if you need time, like you're gonna schedule it, it's better to do it in the email campaign section here.
Okay. Okay, like and then I'm guessing for tracking purposes,
Mm-mm.
like it's gonna be able to be able to track people just that even open the email, right? Like that
Yes,
don't watch the
everything will
video.
be
But
tracked
no, but I'm
there.
saying doing it the way you just did. But like if I send it,
Mm.
if I like copy and pasted, if I did the share and send, but like I did clipboard and copy and pasted that, and then did like the BCC from my Outlook, it probably, I'm guessing, yeah, it's not gonna be able to track that, but it'll be able to track people that actually click into the video, right?
Yeah, you'll be able to see if someone is clicking on it, but not not the actual um emails. So like let me just grab an example in here. Like it's not gonna be email drip. Yeah, let me just grab one of the email drip. Um just drip.
Oh, gosh.
Yeah, let's say this one. This one is sent using the our um our automation. So if you send it through Dub or in any way inside Dub that your contacts is in Dub, you'll be able to see this contact level tracking, like who watched who or who opened emails, who watched or whoever clicked it. But if you're going to do like a BCC type of thing, it will just you will just see if someone opens the email but not who
Okay.
have opened or watched it, if you
Okay,
know.
and then
Yeah, what I want.
with the email, the two like the sub on who it's going to, even though it doesn't say, if you go to email, like instead of clipboard, email.
Check if the antenna cable has been connected properly. 2. Press the input on your remote to change to another input. Red button. Show hide.
Yeah.
If you go to email,
Uh-huh.
sorry, so anyone we listen to,
Oh, if
it,
anyone you listen to will be tracked.
it's gonna be, I know, but it's gonna be BCC. It's not gonna like when they
They
receive,
will
they're not gonna
receive
see it.
individual emails, not BCC, because BCC it's gonna be like a group email.
Okay, yeah, yeah,
So
okay, gotcha.
everyone,
Yeah, so it's gonna look individualized. Okay, that's good.
yeah,
Yeah.
individual.
Um, let's see. And then sorry, with that, I mean like there's no way this, one feature I did like with the just the clipboard is like the inner personalization text, where it's like, hey Ina, like hi Ina, like on the bottom or on the top of the video.
Yeah.
That's not possible if you're doing like a blast.
Oh,
Obviously, unless you're doing like, hey, business owner.
You can do it
you
with the
can
token,
have it
right,
in
Ina? Yeah.
in the personalization text. You can have the first name token in here, so that it's gonna have the first name of the person or
Okay.
whoever is included in the email.
Oh, oh,
But if there's no first name, if ever, because that happens too, like there are contacts that had just emails in the CRM, but there's no first name, the fallback will be high. So that will be replaced by high.
yeah,
Yeah.
yeah, gotcha. Wait, so sorry, the personalized, if you go up, so like the personalization text, okay, yeah, you do that. Okay, you do the token. Okay, so you can do
Yeah,
like
there's
hi
this
and
token.
then that token, first name.
Mhm.
Yeah, first name, and then yeah. This should be
Well,
you could grab this here in the insert token, then yeah, insert token first name, just copy
okay,
it, then paste it in this either in the subject line or personalization text. Whatever is in that will be added or replaced by the first name of the
okay,
person.
yep, yep. And then so the easiest way to do this is do campaign. So this with campaign mode, like, is it me manually? Can I upload a CSV? Can I upload a Excel spreadsheet in a certain format that's going to make it? Our CRM's unfortunately not Salesforce, or it's not on there. So
Mm-mm. Yeah, you can import. It has to be a CSV file specifically. So
Can you send me that one?
yeah,
Like how
yeah.
you guys want it
Like
formatted so it like enters the campaign?
actually, you can. There's the template is also in the CRM. So just go here in the contact section here, and here in the drop down, you will see import contacts. Then here's the template. Download template. If you click that, you will download the template. So it's gonna have the first name token. I mean first name field, last name, email address, and all that. So let me just show that to you.
Okay, perfect.
Where is that? It's opening. So yeah, it's gonna be like this. So just follow it. Maybe paste the rest of the your contacts in here.
Okay, perfect.
Yeah. Awesome. Nice question.
Cool.
Cool.
Austin, that work? That work for you, buddy? You got anything else on that?
Yeah, no, that's perfect.
Sweet. All right.
I think
Awesome.
I'm gonna
Let
go
us
with
know how it
the
goes, though. Like I said, feedback at Dub, Austin, like we chatted earlier. If you want to just, do that kind of the hook and everything we talked about, if you ever want to send one over, because you're going to be sending them out. So let me know.
Absolutely, yeah. No, I appreciate the support. You guys are great. I'm pumped to get going on this. I haven't done it as much as Jason. It was at Jason. But yeah, I guess the other quick question is when Jason showed his screen, which is not a big deal, but like like his dashboard showed how many videos he's done. I think I've got a decent prescription or subscription level with you guys, but mine says like current earnings, past earnings, total earnings.
Yeah.
Oh, you can
You know,
switch that
is it visit partner dashboard or
yeah,
like?
you will be sent to the your dub bar dashboard thing. Let me just
There's a
So
little
I kind of liked his layout where he's like he has 200 videos that he's.
yeah, yeah, you should see that also, Austin. Let me just grab your account in here.
We're going to go into your account, Austin, so we'll pull it up.
Yeah,
Okay.
because yeah, there should be a less than sign on the left.
Like a
You
little
should see
arrow.
that.
Yeah, it moves it out
Yeah.
of the way or something.
Oh, gotcha. Okay. Yep. Got it. There it
Then you
is.
will see the
Yeah.
Perfect.
Yep. Cool. And then, hey, listen, we always tell everybody, I know it's different than what you're doing, but the partner program, we do a 30% recurring commission on anyone who subscribes to Dub. So if you're talking to those plumbers, electricians, construction folks, tire places that are local, how are they doing their sales? And that's something totally separate. I mean, you guys are doing your financial thing, but what happens is people secondarily ask sometimes, how did you send me that video? And then, hey, I use Dub, it's a little link right there. And, anyway, there's that option for you too.
Okay.
Yeah.
Gotcha.
Yeah. Cool. Let's see. I saw it. Bob, I put that email in the chat, the feedback at Dub. Did you get the email so I can see it? Not in a Dub template yet. I will check. You have feedback, right? Ina, access to feedback at Dub. It was gonna be from Bob. He's sending over just a visual example of something. He's using HeyGen for his outreach. Let's see. While we're waiting on that, Sean, welcome back. I saw you popped in. Any update, Sean, on anything? I know we chatted the other day about the specific kind of videos. Anything on your end, if you want to, Sean, if you're busy. If not,
Hey Rob.
hey, Sean.
Oh, sorry, Rob, I had my volume off.
No, that's okay. How's it going? Did you get a chance to record anything yet, or how's that going on your end?
I'm still working on it.
Okay, send it over when you can. Like whenever you get it done. No pressure. Do it whenever you do it. But I'll give the feedback as soon as I see it. So, of
Okay, thank you, sir.
course, of course, of course. And then I saw let's see, Gia. Anything on your end, Gia? Gia Clark? Hey Gia. Anything going on your end? Anything
Change our
exciting?
bath, and then we're getting on a boat. We're drinking Malibu all day.
Whatever you want to do, I'm good with you. As long as the kids are there and you and I, everything else is zero.
So I heard
guarantee it will
Malibu,
end
and
up
I
being
heard a
very
boat, and I
easy.
heard drinking all day. Gia, can you hear
When
me
we
okay?
were in Temecula, the house we stayed at was
Hello, hello.
insane.
It's FaceTime in the backyard. It's incredible.
And Tamara kept saying, like, you should just get married.
That's so funny. I think that was the Orange County Housewives. I think that was the background. I think that was the actual audio. Gia, if you could hear me okay, I wasn't sure. You're off mute, but I couldn't hear you. Can you hear me okay? I hear volume, but I don't hear anything. Gee, if you can hear me okay? Hi. If not, you can type in the chat. Just want to see how things were going, but looks like there's something going on with the mic. Okay. Let's see. Do we have anything on that feedback one there, Ina? And looks like you're on mute, Ina.
Yeah, I got the email.
Okay.
Is it okay to share, Bob?
Yeah, Bob, you all right with sharing, or you want me to look at it after the training?
Okay, that'd be fine. Uh, it hasn't gone into a template yet.
Okay.
So
Yeah.
what you've got is just the pictures and showing where they'll go into that particular email.
Okay. All right, cool. All right, Ina, if you want to go for it, let's see what we got.
Okay, here's what we got. You guys see my screen, right?
Yeah. So you see where the before is, that'd be the car without the sunshine, and then the after. And then you should have another one.
Oh, I see. Okay, there are the images down below. Okay, got it.
Yeah.
Okay, and then the HeyGen character, what
Should
does that look like?
that thing next to it with the numbers on it.
Oh, the file. Okay, the file over to the right. Okay.
Yeah.
So you would just have to upload that file into Dubb to get that video inside the platform.
Okay.
So when you do that, if you just want to show that in the dashboard, just real quick on Dubb, like what you just have to do is go inside of Dubb and the little red camera icon that sits at the top right there,
Right.
click that.
This could be easy.
Backyard, like.
And then when you do, you just upload that video inside the Dubb video library. And when it's inside there, that's when you'll be able to put it wherever you want to put it.
Gotcha.
Yep. And then the screenshot, see the cool thing you can do is you can take the screenshot of the cars and you can pull them up on your screen. You can use the Dubb desktop app and play that pre-recorded video of the HeyGen character right in the middle. So you can have both pulled up. That HeyGen character is right in the middle, and then you got an awesome video.
Oh, wow.
Yeah. Yeah, that would look pretty cool. So what I'm talking about is let's just pretend we'll play in the pretend world here for a second. Let's just let me pull something up here as an example. Give me 1 second, I'll show you.
I give you two.
Only two? I only get two? Okay, all right, hold on. Hold on here. Hold on. Let's go to Dubb. Let's pull up another Dubb. Hold on. You know when you have too many tabs open? You're like, I got 10,000 tabs.
Yeah.
Let's reduce this. All right, here we go. All right, let me share my screen and I'll show you what I'm talking about here. Oops, Zoom, get out of the way. Hold on.
One of the things is when I take the images of the cars
Huh?
off of the websites, it comes in such a large size as you could see.
Yep.
I didn't know how to make those
Yeah.
smaller.
There's some sites that like I think there's pick size reducer or something. You could probably chat GPT and ask what the best one is to use. But when you have them, this is something you can do, right? So what you can
Okay.
do is let's pretend these are the two photos. The one over here on the left is the car with all the garbage in the background, and this is the new one,
Right.
right? So what you can do is just crop them how you crop them, kind of put them next to each other like this, right?
Okay.
And then take the Dubb desktop app, which is right up here at the top, this little screen recorder. And I'm going to go to the view quick menu. Okay. See where this says narrator video right here?
Yes.
So you're going to click that there. It's going to take you to your video library. Let's pretend that this is the HeyGen character. Okay.
Gotcha.
Right. Select that there, puts it on the screen. Okay. Then
Okay.
select this little button down here. See where it says custom right here?
Right.
Select that. And all you're going to do is crop around these two photos so you frame it nice. Okay. So you're doing one of the deals like this. Bring this down. And then hit record, move yourself around, make it bigger or smaller, depending on
Right.
or down the bottom, however you want it. And then click record. Hey, this is Rob. Listen, I want to send you this quick video. I know you filled out that form. You can hold up the phone. So HeyGen's doing its thing, right? And then when it's done, click the check mark and it's going to save this clip. It's kind of pausing right now, but anyway, it'll save the clip and then you can upload it into Dubb, and you have that nice finished video that you can send.
Very slick. Very slick.
Yeah, and then once you do that part of it, send it over to us on feedback, and then we can,
Okay.
you know what I mean, kind of see what the person's going to see, and that's always the best kind of.
Oh, we're recording now, right?
No, you have to remember it, Bob. No, no, I'm kidding. No, it'll be on YouTube support in about another couple hours. So yeah, no, you can check it out on there. Yep.
You know, you're talking to an old guy. I don't know what I had for breakfast. You kidding, man?
Yeah, no, listen, I'm sure you remember more than I do. I feel like I'm losing my brain half the time, especially with the updates on tech we do all the time. Like, wait, what are we doing?
Well, what it is, someone told me one time that the brain is like a computer, and what's happening as you get older is your hard drive needs to be defrag.
Sounds familiar. I just dropped the link in there for you, Bob. So that's
Oh,
the link
okay.
to YouTube. So this training will be on there in a couple hours. So
Okay,
yeah,
great.
sweet.
I really appreciate it, man.
Yeah, of course. That's what it's all about. We want you everyone to have the most specific videos you can. It's breaking through the noise, getting people's attention, visually seeing something that makes a difference. We talk about a lot with people with coaching, which is what does your animated GIF look like? What is your hook saying? Why should someone stop and watch your video? It's one of the biggest things, and we find that brevity, get to the point of value, have them take an action after. I mean, that gives yourself the best chance. So we found.
The do you ever do the almost negative side? I just didn't know if you had any experience with that, like
Mm.
something where you're waving or whatever, and then why the heck should you look at this thing?
I mean, I guess I mean, there are I think if you do go that route, see, I always think it's one of those things where when you're shining a light on something that maybe someone didn't think about or maybe doesn't want the light shown on, like when's the last time you checked your oil? Like,
Right.
oh man, I'm kind of embarrassed. It's been like 3 years. You know what I mean? It's kind of like, oh, do they shy away and like, oh, I'm kind of feeling upset about
Yeah.
it? Or is it kind of light a fire? Like, oh wow, yeah, I didn't think about that. So instead, I think you can kind of play with that idea just as long as it's more encouraging on the opposite side of the door. So.
There's a guy out of the UK, a sales trainer. I don't know if you know about him or not, but he does cold calls
Mhm.
on the phone.
Yep.
And basically, the way he started is he says, I know you're going to hate this call. It's a cold call. And then he goes into his thing. People call me, blah, blah, blah. So it's a little different approach because he takes everybody, I won't say everybody, but so many people when they call, hi, how are you today?
Right, right, right,
I'm
right.
Joe Blow from any, oh my God, you want to hang out?
Right. Yeah. No, I've actually seen that technique before where someone says, "Yep, you're correct. This is a cold call, so get ready."
Yeah,
So
buckle
there's a
up.
lot of different things you can do. There's
Yeah.
different
And
techniques.
and what's great about Dub is it gives you the flexibility to do A/B testing.
Yeah, that's something we're big on. Darius has talked about that. He a co-founder of Dub for a long time, especially with email. We always say if you're doing cold stuff, A/B test it with a bunch of emails sent with no video, where you have a question for the company, question for the person, and if they respond, then send them video and do the other half with a video. But efficiently sending a video that you record one time that speaks to that entire group that you're reaching out to, because you don't want to sit there and make 100 videos for personal videos for everyone. They're cold and no one even, you know what I mean? It's a little different
Right,
of an audience. So yeah,
right.
yeah. Well, everybody,
Excellent.
listen, thanks for so much for coming in today. We got to jump just because we got a meeting at the top. But as always, we appreciate the feedback, the questions, everything. And at the end of the day, we want everyone to make the best videos that they can. Not best from like perfection standpoint, because that's just not possible. It's just about trying to be different, being yourself, being your personality, but try to have something interesting visually and that you're saying to stop the person from scrolling through all the cat videos on their phone for the next 5 hours. No, I'm kidding. Okay.
One quick thing, Rob.
Yeah. Uh-huh.
That it's youtube.com/ the address.
Dub support. Yeah, it's that link in there. Yeah. If you go to
Oh,
YouTube,
okay.
just put Dub
All right.
support in, you'll pull it up. Yeah. Yep. Speaking of, my cat was just meowing at me. Hey. All right. So everybody, we'll see you
Appreciate it.
tomorrow.
Appreciate it, Rob.
Bye, everybody. See ya.